What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Untitled Couture. And today I am so excited about this review. This is a review from DY777HAIR. I absolutely love this wig. This is the 180 density loose wave frontal wig, 22 inch in the color 1B. This is Brazilian hair. So I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys. This is the kind of bag that it comes in, and then it has a nice little what is this, a nice little sheer number, nice little sheer bag. This is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. This is what the lace looks like. So on camera the lace looks a little bit darker than it actually is. I think this is a light brown lace, but it blended so good with my skin. I didn't really have to do much to the lace. I did go ahead and bleach this and pluck this as well. It has combs on the inside. There's 4 combs, 2 on the top, 2 on the sides. It has an elastic band as well. So yeah, let's just get right into this install. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, then you guys already know the deal. We going right in and doing this ball cap method. So first I'm just cutting my ears out, and then I'm doing my first layer of Got To Be spray. I just spray, rub in, spray, rub in. You don't need a lot of Got To Be spray, so don't overdo it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Make sure you get on the sides and behind those ears, because you don't want your ball cap to lift up while you have your frontal on. That's going to be a mess. So yeah, so spray, blow dry, and then once that first layer is done drying, then you're going to do your second layer of Got To Be. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just cutting that excess cap off. I always cut with my scissors up and on the sides, and then I use my razor comb on the sides. It's just what I like to do. I don't know, it's just my little thing. So after I'm done that, I'm going to take my foundation brush. I didn't add any product to this brush. I'm just using my foundation brush with all the excess foundation on it and just putting that all over my ball cap to make it bold. Okay. So once that's done, I'm going to be using Ghost Bond for my glue. I think I'm doing 2 or 3 layers today, because I actually did end up wearing this wig for an extended amount of time, because I actually really love this wig. So I'm going to keep it on for a while. So I want to do 3 layers. I just want to talk about the wig just now, but I'm gonna just wait until that part comes up. But I'm just so excited about this wig because I actually really love this hair. Like, the wave was so cute. Like, it's one of those wigs where, like, you don't have to, I don't know, body wave just don't be bodying for me anymore. Like, I want some kind of wave that I don't have to do anything to it. Like, I don't want to have to wet my hair every day like a deep wave. I don't want to have to curl my hair or like crimp it every day like a body wave would. So like, loose wave is just, that's more of my vibe. So I put that makeup on the inside of the wig as well. But anyway, so now I'm just moving that wig up directly into the glue, and then I'm using my comb to massage that in and get the blending going. So like I said, I already did bleach this wig and pluck it, but I don't know, I just like to go back in sometimes once I put the wig on my head, just to see like how, you know, dense it is. I was so scared to over pluck this wig. So you know, there's nothing wrong with going back in once you put your wig on and plucking. I do that really often. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going back in and plucking this wig just a little bit more, because I feel like it was a little bit dense, which is a good thing. I love a good dense wig, because some wigs you get, they're like already, like, some are like perfectly plucked, but some of them, it's like they're so overly plucked that if you start plucking yourself, they're like damn near bald so soon. So yeah, so I'm just taking those baby hairs out, and then I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna put my elastic band over, and then I'm gonna leave my elastic band for like 15 minutes and then come back. Alright, like, now I'm back. Look how good this looks before I even cut the lace. Like I said, this the lace looked a little bit dark when I showed you guys initially, but as you guys can see, it's melted right into my skin. I didn't have to do much. The girl didn't have to do much. So I absolutely love that. So now I'm just taking that makeup brush and going over that hairline just to further blend that. Like, y'all, this wig is bomb. Like, it's bomb. I love it. Like, I love it, love it, love it. So now I'm just plucking a little bit more. I would actually recommend this method, especially if you're like a beginner or you're new to, you know, plucking wigs. Like, put it on, use your hot comb, like, pluck, bring it back, look at it, pluck, bring it back, look at it. Do it as many times as you have to get that hairline right, because you don't want your stuff to be looking crazy. So now that I feel like I plucked enough, I'm putting that into a ponytail, and I'm just putting on my elastic band to set those baby hairs. I use my hot comb a little bit. This part, if you're a beginner, I do not recommend, because you will burn your face. So yeah, so now that I feel like I plucked enough, I'm just putting it into a ponytail, and I'm going to let those baby hairs sit. All right, so now that that's done, look how, like, look, just look. Like, this wig is so bomb. So now I'm just taking my razor comb and cutting those baby hairs. Sorry, it looks a little bit off camera, but I was trying to get as close as possible for you guys to see it, okay? So, yeah, I'm just cutting those baby hairs, and then for to lay those down, I'm using my Erica J fluff and stuff. I see all the reviews of different mousses that make your frontal lift up. Baby, this one does not do that. Like, this is the perfect mousse. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever with this mousse. Like, it makes the hair so easy to look. Like, it's effortless. Like, just look, swoop, and that's it. So this is the mousse that I always use. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then once I'm done putting my baby hairs in place, I'm going to use my satin scarf and let those baby hairs sit. Alright, the girl is back. This part is just so satisfying to me. That's why I didn't even speed it up. Like, it's just like boom, boom. Look at the wave of this hair. Like, I was so hyped, y'all. Like, it really looks so cute. I was so hyped. Alright, so after I do my baby hairs, I always go back in and just like brush them through, just to make them look soft and not look as, you know, hard and as like set in place, if that makes sense. Just make them look a little bit more natural, a little bit fluffier. I always go back in and just brush over top of them, or, you know, comb it out just a little bit, because they're set. So even when you comb it, it's still going to lay the same way, but I just like the softer look, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And then I want to take my hot comb and go in and just, you know, lay it a little bit more and all of that good stuff. Y'all, this install is just wow. Like wow. I love this wig. It's just so good. Thank you so much, DY777HAIR, for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. Like, it's just beautiful. It's so nice. And this is what it looks like in the back. This is what I meant about the wave. Like, it's not deep wave to where you have to, you know, wet it every day. But it's also not body wave to where you have to do something to it every single day. Alright, well, that is about it for this video, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at k.couture. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. And make sure you guys check out DY777. I'm going to have all the information for this wig in the description box per usual. And that's about it, you guys.